Unit 5, Chapter 13 The Earth and its Neighbours. The universe is everything that exists. The solar system is a part of the universe. The Sun and the 9 planets that revolve around the Sun in their orbits together form the solar system. These 9 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. The solar system. Our Earth. Our Earth, the beautiful planet, is a member of the solar system. Our Earth is the only planet that supports life and that has water. The Earth is the 3rd nearest planet to the Sun. It has one natural satellite, the Moon. The surface of the Earth. From space, the Earth looks blue because seas and lakes cover nearly 3/4 of its surface. The swirling patterns are clouds. They are part of a thin layer of air around the Earth called the atmosphere. Earth has hot deserts, rainforests, and freezing cold north and south poles. In some places, it has high-rise mountains. Do you know? The Himalayas are the world's highest mountains. They are known as the roof of the world. Shape of the Earth. To us, the Earth appears to be flat, but actually it is like a big ball. There are proofs to show that the Earth is round. Watch a ship coming near to a harbour. We see the smoke on the horizon, then the chimney, later the deck, and finally the complete ship. First stage, second stage, third stage. About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan started sailing from a certain point on the Earth and moved in the same direction. At the end, he reached the point from where he had started. This account supports the fact that the Earth is round. Shape of the Earth as seen from the outer space. The photographs of the Earth taken from the space by the astronauts show that the Earth is round. Movements of the Earth. Rotation of the Earth. The Earth spins like a top. The axis is an imaginary line passing through the center of the Earth. The Earth spins like a top. Axis. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called the rotation of the Earth. The Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. Days and nights are caused by the rotation of the Earth. Earth spins from west to east. The sunrise appears in the east because the Earth spins from west to east. The axis of the Earth is slightly tilted. Day and night. Sun. The sun shines all the time. At any time, only one half of the Earth faces the sun. This half has daylight. The other half experiences darkness or night. Look at the globe. India is on the opposite side of America. So, when it is day in India, it is night in America. When it is night in India, it is day in America. Revolution of the Earth. The Earth spins on its axis. At the same time, it goes around the Sun also. This movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. Earth takes 1 year, 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. The revolution of the Earth causes the seasons. Orbit, revolution of Earth. The Sun. The Sun is a giant ball of hot glowing gases. The Sun is a star. The Sun is the closest star to us in the universe. The Sun is the main source of heat and light for all the planets in the solar system, including the Earth. Do you know? The Sun also rotates on its axis. The Sun takes 27 days to spin round once on its own axis. The Moon. The Moon appears at night. The Moon is smaller than the Earth. It is a satellite of the Earth. The Moon has no air or water. Nothing can live there. The Moon spins on its axis and at the same time it revolves around the Earth. The Moon takes about 30 days to complete one revolution around the Earth. The Moon has no light of its own. We can see the Moon because it reflects light from the Sun. The Moon appears to change its shape. This is because of its revolutions around the Earth. Sun, sunlight, no moon day, Amavasya, half moon, Earth, full moon day, Purnima. At position A, the Moon is in between the Sun and the Earth. The dark part of the Moon faces the Earth. The dark part of the Moon does not reflect any light. To us, it is Amavasya day or no moon day. At position B, the Earth is in between the Sun and the Moon. The lighted part of the Moon faces the Earth. The Moon reflects the maximum light towards the Earth. To us, it is full moon day or Purnima. In between Amavasya and Purnima, no moon and full moon days, different phases of the Moon can be seen. No moon, crescent moon, half moon, full moon, half moon, crescent moon, no moon. Different phases of the Moon. The stars. At night we see the stars. Stars have their own light. Many stars are bigger than the Sun. But they appear to be small because they are far away from the Earth than the Sun. Groups of stars form shapes resembling an animal or a man. These groups of stars are called constellations. Leo, Scorpio, Great Bear. Constellations. Ursa Major, Great Bear, Scorpius, Scorpion, and Leo, Lion are some examples of constellations. There are 88 known constellations across the sky. Astronomers are people who study stars. Aryabhatta, Varahamihira and Bhaskara are some ancient Indian astronomers. What have we learned? There are 9 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. The Earth is the only planet that supports life. The Earth rotates from west to east on its axis. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The rotation of the Earth causes days and nights, and its movements around the Sun causes seasons. The Moon is the satellite of the Earth. The Moon takes about 30 days to complete one rotation around the Earth. Stars are larger than Sun. A constellation is a group of stars. New words learned. Atmosphere, the layer of gases that surrounds a planet. Rotation, spinning of a planet on its axis. Revolution, the movement of a planet around the Sun. Universe, everything that exists. Satellite, a body orbiting a planet. Axis, imaginary line through the center of a rotating body. Constellation, a group of stars.